told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to take you through the audio part and see if it's a good audio, if we can complete it. So the first thing I do before even I start transcribing, it's to listen to the audio so that I can determine if the audio is easy to do or if it's difficult to do. So if it's difficult, it's just a waste of time, so don't do it unless it's just for practical part, because if it's a difficult audio, passing is very difficult, and that's why it is a difficult audio, because maybe they don't want other transcribers, or maybe they just want traffic on their site. All right, so you have to listen. When they need transcribers, they put very easy test for you. So let's listen and see if we can do this test. You'll also judge on this. So let's see. I've just downloaded the audio. It's very easy to download the audio. You just come here and you click download, and it will download. So if I click download, you can see it has started downloading here. So then after you've downloaded it, this one, just go to your the software you are using, whether it's Otter or Temi, but in my case I'm using Sonix. Sonix is a paid transcription software. So in case you want to purchase the Sonix, you just go to their website and you just log in. So then I uploaded the audio there, and it has already transcribed. So I'm going to listen and follow through the transcript so that I can determine if this transcript is worth my time, because you can just be wasting time when you just start transcribing before you listen to the whole transcript to determine whether it's a difficult audio or it's a easy audio, or if it's a doable audio for you. So let me just listen to it, and then I will tell you if we shall do this test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Okay, well, Steve, I'd like to ask you how your day was. I understand you had some problems with a machine. Could you tell me about it while I do the dishes? Just start talking.
So, between the balancing machine, we found out that the load sensors on the left side and right side of both work by swapping the cables. But the indication on the screen still shows no load values in grams on the left side. I inspected the circuit board to see if there was any loose connections on it. That will maybe it's the current loop load cells that maybe have open connection, but normally it'll show an error in the signal. It won't actually show you anything. This is trying to show us something, but it's not the correct value. And then coupled with that, the timing on the weight imbalances now has been showing about 90 degrees off axis from where it should be. So if it's supposed to be 0 degrees, being like 12 o'clock, at 0 degrees or 12 o'clock, we put the imbalance weight there, and it shows it at 90 degrees instead of at 0. And if I put the weight at 90 degrees, it shows it at 180 degrees, etc. So there's a definite problem with the calibration on that. So we need to get Hoffman America out there to do a calibration on the units. They'll at least look at it, but since I think the data acquisition board is having a problem, we've actually looked on eBay and found one at a low price, but it's an earlier revision. And it would still need to be calibrated regardless.
Let me interrupt you to ask you a quick question. How much do you think that this might cost the company?
Well, to get the service tech out, they quoted us $4,000.
Okay.
And the board might be, I don't know, $2,000, $2,500 on top
okay.
of the service tech coming out. So talking might be $6,500, $7,000 by the time we're done.
Wow. I could buy a nice used Toyota, huh?
Yeah,
Maybe.
you could. Actually, some places you can get a nice car for that price.
Yeah.
Still working.
A Celica or an Edsel.
An Edsel?
Yeah.
Working? Maybe not.
Well, you know, we can dream, can't we?
You know, to dream, yeah, possible dream. Finding a car that works for $8,000.
Well, nine out of 10 car lovers who would love to have an Edsel in working condition, so I've heard from Jay Leno's garage.
But I didn't hear that report. I'm sure I'm not one of the 9 out. I must be the 1 out of the 10 that doesn't.
Oh.
So there's 9 other people that do.
That could be. Well, thank you for telling me all about your day, and I'm sure that the future transcribers of GoTranscript will appreciate it as well.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So as you have heard, according to my judgment, this test is very difficult. One of the speaker has a very strong accent, and there is a lot of background noises. So for me, I can't submit this transcript because it will, and I can't do it because it will just be a waste of my time. It's very difficult, very difficult for you to pass this test, even if you are a native English speakers. Even if you are a native English speaker, it's very difficult for you to pass this test because of the background noise. Okay, the accent is very difficult. So if you want to try this, you can try, but for me, this is a no for me. So I'll just wait for another transcript, another audio. If they re-upload another audio which is simpler, which is easy, I'll just transcribe for you, and I'll show you some of the things you should be looking for. So until we meet again, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates, because I'll be, if a new audio comes up, I'll do it, and I'll show you what you are supposed to do and pass the exam. All right, so click the subscription button below and like this video so that it can reach as many people as possible. Thank you for your time.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.